Hallo, dit is Hans, the Dutch guy with much Dutch, and this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent Max Verstappen, the F1 driver. The correct Dutch pronunciation is Max Verstappen. Max Verstappen. There is a slight emphasis on the second syllable of the last name. Max Verstappen. Max Verstappen. Max Verstappen. If you can roll that R just a little bit, it would be nice, but it's not a requirement. And you can leave out the last letter, the N, if you want. So, Max Verstappen. Max Verstappen just won another Grand Prix. I hope this video is helpful. You can help us by liking it and subscribing to our channel. And we have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. Tot ziens!